Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the email to send log upon app crash feature. First, click on your application in your control panel. Go to your app config icon and click on it. Next, turn on your advanced option in your config menu. Go to your developer section and turn on your email to send log upon app crash option. Enter the email address to which you want to receive app crash logs. Now save your settings. Next, start your app streaming session. By enabling this feature, you can now get app crash logs to your desired email if your app ever faces a crash while streaming. Thanks for watching the video. To know about our Unreal Engine pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our pixel streaming platform for free. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.